Hi there, this is a video to show you how to use the Made to Measure design tool on slidingwardrobeworld.com to create a completely bespoke set of doors to your design and to your exact dimensions. Now you can get to the home page, which we're on now, by clicking any of the links below this video. You should be able to see them. They say www.slidingwardrobeworld.com. Quite a distinctive pink and grey website. You will land on the home page, which you see before us. You'll see on there you've got quite a big window here which says design and buy bespoke made to measure doors, and it's scrolling through some photographs of different made to measure doors. You can access it from the main nav bar at the top, but I'm going to click on this large window here and hopefully that will load for us the made to measure design tool. So up at the top of the page it shows you just a bit of a description of the process. Okay, but I'm going to hide that and scroll down the page a little bit just so we can see these pink tabs here. And what these pink tabs are is the first thing you should be clicking, which are the different door systems: Economy, Heritage, Classic, Contour, Shaker, S700, Gliss, Maxima and S700 Angled. Now you need to do a little bit of reading up on each of the door systems, but in simple terms it's the hardware system, it's the framing system around the door and the track system, and it also affects what sort of doors we can make out of that. For example, we're on Shaker at the moment and it's available in some nice wood finishes and some cashmere and stone grey, but you can only have it in a 3-panel design or a 1-panel design. Economy as an alternative, only available in a 1-panel design, and on here it only shows silver or white as the frame colours. I'm going to pick something that's quite flexible. It's a system called Contour. Okay, I'm picking it because it gives us a really nice broad range of door designs, has a really nice wide range of glass and panel finishes, and a reasonable range of frame and track colours, 4 different frame and track colours. So after selecting your door system, there's a little bit of text down the left hand side and some photo galleries at the bottom, but simply you put in your dimensions here. Now I'm not going to go into too much about taking dimensions on this video. If you do need more information on taking dimensions, how to measure is up here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Okay, but I'm going to assume you've gone through that process and you know how to measure and you've got your opening width and your opening height. Website starts with the default, or maybe you've played around with it earlier, so it's 2700. To change that, you just highlight it and type in whatever you've got. I'm going to put 2500, and for the height, starts at 1160, which is really low. I'm going to put in 2480, which is the maximum height. I'm going to change the number of doors from 3 to 4, and you will notice down at the bottom here there's a window which shows some doors. Okay, you'll notice when I change that to 4, it will add a 4th door to your design tool. Now it's some really random designs and colours at the moment, just ignore those for the moment because we will overwrite those, and the website starts up with some really strange default colours which also affect the price, so it's showing quite a high price there at the moment because of the glass finishes that have been chosen. But once you've put in your dimensions, you can then select your frame and track colour. Now here it's I've got a silver frame selected. If you change to black, you'll notice it will change to black. Change to white, it automatically changes to white. And on this one, change to polished silver, it automatically changes in your design tool to polished silver. It's the only one that automatically changes. Every other window you have to do something specific. Okay, and I'll explain that to you now. So box number 3, if we scroll down a bit, choose a door design. So when you select on a door design, be it single panel, double panel, triple panel, 4 panel, and then you got the 3 panel fine line and the 3 panel wide line. You select, let's choose single panel for the moment, but nothing happens, and you'll see it flashing. Now click on the doors below. For that change to take place, we need to know which door you want to be a single panel door. You could have each door different, so it doesn't update by itself. You need to select the door that you want to be a single panel. I'm going to change that door number 1 from a 4 panel to a single panel simply by clicking it. I'm going to change door number 4 from that 4 panel to a single panel. Now we've got 4 single panel doors. If I select the 4 panel option and click the middle one, middle 2, converts them to 4 doors. Outer ones converts them to 4 panel. Okay, and what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go back to single panel again, and I'm going to make the 2 middle doors nice dressing mirrors. Okay, so we have 4 panel on the outside, single panels on the inside. Now I want those 2 middle doors to be mirror. So the next step is you choose your door panel color options. Very wide choice here on this particular range, wider than all the others. Okay, and what you will also find that the different glass colors on the contour system do affect the price of your wardrobe. Okay, and if you click on the different glass colors, you will see them appear in this box here, and it gives us a description of the glass color. It says it's price category 1, which is one of the cheaper ones. Click on the Starlight Brown, shows price category 3 as an example, which is a more expensive glass. Now I want my 2 middle doors to be mirror. I know that mirror happens to be somewhere around here, there. If you go slowly, it does say over each one, for example, red terracotta, bronze tinted mirror, and mirror normal. So I select normal mirror. You can see it shows a little swatch up there, and then I select the doors that I want to be normal mirror. I'm going to go for that one, and that one was already normal mirror, but you might have noticed that the price dropped as I did that because normal mirror is cheaper than what was there before. Okay, and what I'm also going to do is select, let's go for cappuccino glass category 1, and I'm going to change all the 4 panels on there to cappuccino glass, and you'll see there you got a price of just over £1,000. Now if I change the mirror door to cappuccino glass, jumps the price up by £20. I'm going to change that back to mirror. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Play around to your heart's content with all the different colours, and the price will update as you're going along. Okay, so once you're happy with your design, if I go back to my nice and simple, bit more boring, but cappuccino glass on the outside, mirror doors in the middle, you can see the price there, £1,008. I can then add those doors to my basket by clicking add to basket. Your doors and tracks have been added to your basket. I can view the basket if I want, or I can continue. I'm going to click continue because I want to add an end panel. I want to add let's say a cashmere end panel, £71.50. Select one of those, and I want to select a floor liner to go underneath in cashmere again. Select one of those, click add to basket. Additional options have been added to your basket, and now I can go and view the basket. And in your basket you will see your made to measure wardrobe, the prices of the doors. You can see the cappuccino glass doors were £306 each, doors number 1 and doors number 4 £306, and the 2 simple mirror doors £198 each, giving you a total price there. And then the price for your made to measure wardrobe options there. It's added £60 delivery to the total cost, giving you an order total which includes VAT, includes delivery, of £1,161 in this case. If you want to go for a cheaper door system, then you would go for something like economy or heritage, but that's a nice set of bespoke made to measure doors, nice design, your end panels, your liners, all ready to go. If you're happy with that price and you want to proceed, simply click go to checkout, and it takes you through the payment process, and then your doors will generally arrive within about 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, that's it for the made to measure design tool. If you have any questions, please contact us, slidingwardrobeworld.com, or email info@slidingwardrobeworld.com, or call 0208 123 8686. Thank you.